We're going to start with approximately 1/2 cup of hot cocoa mix. Okay, just like that. Now, I have found the best simulate. It's not the exact taste of coffee crisp. Only coffee crisp can do that. To simulate the best. Now, I've combined and mixed and varied the following cappuccino mixes. One being the French vanilla cappuccino mix, and the other, this is more difficult to find, but this, can you see that? This is the English toffee cappuccino. It's like a coffee toffee, basically, when you put it together. This is what I am now adding also, about 1/2 cup's worth, so they're even. Oh, this is so good. Coffee toffee. This is it. If you can find this in the United States. Okay, so this is all that I have left of my little jar before I go hunting for some more. So, all right, that almost made 1/2 cup. You can tell I use it quite a bit. It's very delicious. It's great. For that coffee taste, you're going to need whatever you have, right? Some kind of instant coffee. Now, for me, this is what I have here. And I'm going to use a very large, or at least a rounded heaping, 1/2 teaspoon. Now, you could add more. You might want to adjust it after you prepare this. But this is a good start. This can get very strong very fast. Okay, second last, is caramel macchiato creamer, because with coffee, instant coffee, you need to offset it somewhat. Okay, so this is what we need. About 2 tablespoons worth of the creamer. There's something about this flavor that just has a nice element to the overall popcorn. Okay, there we go. Last, finally, because it is popcorn, I like to add a dash, just a little dash, some salt, just tiny a measure. There you have it. You can always salt your popcorn, but there we have it. That's everything. Put it in our magic bullet. We're going to blend this until it's fine. Then all we have to do is label a little container, put a lid on it, and we're good to go. Oh, quick, easy, fast. Oh. There. Now we're ready for a coffee crisp popcorn party. And there you have it. Now give it a taste. If you find that it is a little bit more on the cocoa tasting side, you can always offset it with either a little more cappuccino mix, or maybe even try French vanilla cappuccino mix. It's very good. You can see how much that makes. That'll last.